Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can see open snaps again in Snapchat using iPhone. So first of all, you need to be in the app library and tap on Snapchat. Now, tap on chat and tap on any chat you want. Now, there are many methods of doing this. One particular method is you can either tap on this open sign over here, but I cannot replay it since I already opened it in 10:57, so I cannot do that. You can only do it, you can use this method if you recently opened the chat, then you can tap on replay and watch it again. Or either you can go on the profile of the person and tap on this three-dot button and go to chat and notification settings and turn on this option of keep snaps in chat. And now you'll be able to see the open snap. I cannot do that, but if the person sends chat again, if the person sends the snap again, then I can see it. Or you can just save it and watch it again. And guys, that's how you can see opened snaps in Snapchat again using an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please like this video. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. See you again next time. Thank you for watching.